We are Avilon Intelligence. Our company is going to make drone operations so easy that it only takes one guy to operate 100 drones around the world just from his office. There is so much potential in using drone for various applications such as logistics, security, or inspection. The problem we have to overcome is currently the drone operation is not scalable. Every drone you need one operator to handle. Think about when your fleet expands to 1,000 drones. That is very expensive. This is a limiting factor for drone industry growth these days. They can control not just one, but could be 10 or 100 drones at the same time from multiple places, and it's going to be as easy as video conference.
目前的无人机还是有几个问题，就是说无法大规模化的部署，然后还有一个是说，操作使用门槛很高，所以说我们希望降低操作的门槛，以及可以让我们的系统顺利的部署，比如说数十台或者数百台的无人机，让客户可以很简易的去操作他们的无人机，然后采集他们所要的数据。在软体部分，我们有自动化的无人机机队管理系统，让我们的客户呢可以在很多地方，比如说不受距离限制的去掌握他们的无人机。然后硬体部分呢，我们有自动导航，让它可以操作的门槛让它降低。所以说，结合这两个部分，我们可以让我们无人机的部署可以让它有规模化的应用。
With our solution, we made what previously was not possible easy. We increased the efficiency of the operators, and by doing so, we keep the cost of the drone operation economical. The 5G technology has revolutionized robotic industry, especially for drones, because it is wireless. Usually, each drone mission will generate gigabytes or terabytes of data. Before 5G, the wireless data transfer at this speed will cost a fortune. With 5G, we can process data in real time and upload to our server without human interaction. In the future, we will improve the drone system to be more suitable for isolated area in order to support our worldwide customer adoption. The operation cycle, which includes takeoff, flight, landing, and charging, can be carried out entirely without human supervision. We hope to expand drone applications by making our drone smaller and equipping it with a smarter navigation system so that it can conduct operations anywhere, both indoor and outdoor.
我们是奥荣科技股份有限公司 Avilon Intelligence。我们公司致力于打造自动化无人机以及无人机机队管理系统。如果有各式群检或者是无人机应用的需求，可以联络我们公司的官网或者是粉丝专页，我们公司会提供你最完整以及符合你们公司的无人机服务。